Hello, second graders. Today, our learning target is I can infer an author's opinion given in a text and then discuss and write about it. Now you read it with me. I can infer an author's opinion given in a text and then discuss and write about it. Today you will read How Bats Help Out and infer the author's opinion. You will also discuss and write your ideas. You will need the text, How Bats Help Out, your Helping Pollinators Journal, page 1 for today's lesson, and a pencil. First, let's read the text, How Bats Help Out. Have you ever seen a bat before? Bats are the only mammals that can fly. They are nocturnal animals. That means they are awake at night. They do their hunting and feeding after the sun has gone down. Different kinds of bats eat different things. Some of them eat mostly insects. Others eat mostly fruit. And some eat pollen, nectar, and other parts of flowering plants. All of these kinds of bats are very important. Why? Bats that eat insects help keep the number of bugs under control. Some of them eat mosquitoes, the nasty pests that feast on blood and spread disease. Because they eat so many bugs, they are great for farming. They eat the bugs that would otherwise eat farmers' crops. Bats that eat fruit can help spread seeds. Inside a fruit are the seeds of the tree or plant that grew the fruit. When a bat eats the fruit, it does not digest the seed. Instead, the seed leaves the bat as part of its waste. This can happen far away from the tree or plant where the bat first found the fruit. There, a new tree or plant can grow. Bats that eat different parts of flowering plants are helpful pollinators. As they go from flower to flower, they move the plant's pollen to different flowers. This makes it possible for the plants to grow new seeds. More than 500 different kinds of plants need bats to pollinate their flowers. They include some kinds of cocoa, bananas, and mangoes. So if you see a bat, remember how much they help out. Now that we've read the text, let's think about it. An opinion is what someone thinks about something, or the way they feel about it. For example, I really love dogs. That is the way I feel, but some people might not agree. Think about the main topic of the text we just read. What do you think the author's opinion about bats is? Pause the video now and think about it. Now that you've thought about it, let's talk about it. With a family member or friend, talk about the same question. What is the author's opinion about bats? If you need to, go back and look at the text to help. Pause the video now and talk about it. Now that you've discussed it with somebody, let's write. Using your journal, answer the questions about the text. When you're finished answering the question, share it with a teacher, family member, or friend. Thank you, second graders.